HE912-B Operation Guide. First, check whether the accessories are complete. If accessories are missing, you can contact the dealer or directly find customer service. Choose the earplugs that suit you according to the size of the ear canal. Pinch the earplugs and put them into the hearing aid connector. Required connection in place. Important for operation. If the right earplugs are not used, or the tightness caused by irregular wearing is not enough, the hearing aid will squeal. Howling is normal, and it happens because the sound that's amplified by the microphone is being captured again. The sound will be cycled and amplified, and that's what happens. This is not a malfunction. It is the result of irregular use. Dial down to turn on. Dial up to shut down. This is the volume adjustment button. There will be a beep when adjusting the volume. Long press this button to adjust the mode. It takes 3-4 hours to charge the hearing aid. It can be used for 16-18 hours after full power. When the charging compartment is fully charged, it can charge the hearing aid 3 to 4 times. It can be used for more than 60 hours with a charging case. It beeps when the battery is low.